part of it. It's actually about bringing ideas and passion and possibilities to fruition and having the resources and skills and also, I guess, the inspiration to assist that. And part of that inspiration is our mentors, the program that's been developed, which is actually really surprising how comprehensive it is and supportive. But there's also everybody else that's come along and they're part of the fellowship or the fellow cohort, and the richness that we've got and diversity and passion. So I think that it's our own ideas that are really interesting. Everybody's got these really fascinating stories, but it's actually also the richness and diversity of this critical mass of people who've got such passion and what we can learn from each other. And it's already starting, so I look forward to seeing how that develops for myself and everybody else over the program. It's hard to choose just one thing. I'm going to answer that by sort of putting two things together and say I think that it's acknowledging mental health issues, seeing what's actually going on and having awareness. And then with that awareness, actually really truly promoting recovery, truly promoting systems and resources and everything, things in the community that will allow people to truly have a journey towards mental wellness. And that's a fairly multi-pronged and complex set of initiatives that are needed, and something that's, I guess, comes from very many different areas. So yeah, probably true recovery. It seems like a fairly obvious question, how vital is mental health care? And I think that's on an individual perspective, but also on a national and global perspective. Mental health is something that's sometimes not looked at, or it's something we don't want to look at. And I've got my own interests professionally, but I've also got my own personal experiences, family, friends, and my own lived experience. So I actually see that without sufficient mental health care, people can't actually be everything that they are. And I think that everybody truly has such great gifts and beauty and possibilities within them. And when there's mental illness or mental health is an optimum, it's not possible to always allow that stuff to come out into the world. So I think that if we really allow our own, empower our own mental health and the mental health of others, then it can actually create something really wonderful for our community and our nation and world.